Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to enable sound in Google Meet share screen. Okay, so let's get started. So what we're gonna do guys is, let's say we have a meeting right now. Okay, you can click this one and start meeting. Okay, and you actually wanted to, let's say we have a YouTube here. Okay, and let's play a sound or a music here. uh okay, let's say this one.
New Palmolive Naturals with 2 times natural concentrate. Try
And that
now.
link guys, you want to share that link
Ang binti ng tri
so you want to share the audio of that link. Click the share screen. So in order to enable the sound guys, let's say this YouTube guys, so as you can see here, also share tab audio. So if you click this one, so as you can see here, there is no color here, or yeah, so it is off guys. So if you click that one, okay, it is now on. So or enable the audio during the screen sharing. So if you click the share button guys, you will be successfully um share your screen with the audio. Okay, so that's it guys. So I hope you learn and enjoy from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on Google Meet. Thank you.